Stop trying to start that fire. The wood is wet. The smoke is a GPS signal for every looter within 3 miles. And that flickering light, it doesn't keep you warm, it just paints a target on your chest. In a real collapse, fire is a trap. But look at you. You are shaking. Your teeth are chattering. That isn't just being cold. That is your body screaming that it is shutting down. Here is the scary part. Hypothermia doesn't hurt at the end. It lies to you. It makes you feel warm right before you fall asleep forever. The cold is a thief. It wants to turn your 98-degree body into a block of ice to match the ground. You have no matches, no heater, no shelter. Good. You don't need them, because you are a biological nuclear reactor built to survive an ice age. You just forgot how to turn the controls on. Let me show you how to survive the night using nothing but physics, garbage, and spite. Let's burn. Step 1, turn your clothes into a life support system. Forget fashion. Fashion is for the dead. We talk physics. Cotton kills. Remember that. Wet cotton sucks heat away from your body 25 times faster than air. If you sweat in a cotton shirt, you are wearing a shroud. You need layers, but not just any layers. You need dead air. Air is the best insulator on Earth, but only if it is trapped. So look at the garbage around you. Crumpled newspaper, dry leaves, bubble wrap, foam from a ripped car seat. Stuff it inside your jacket. Stuff it down your pants. You want to look bloated. You want to look like the Michelin Man from hell. Cram that insulation between your base layer and your outer shell. You are creating thousands of tiny air pockets that trap your body heat. And cover your head. The myth says you lose 90% of heat through your head, which is false. But your brain needs blood warmth to make decisions. If your head gets cold, you start making stupid choices. In this world, stupid means dead. No tent, no sleeping bag? Good. We build a debris hut. Think of it as a sleeping bag made of nature's trash. Find a ridgepole, which is a strong branch, prop one end up, rib it with sticks. Now the magic ingredient, debris. Leaves, pine needles, grass. Pile it on. I don't mean a light dusting. I mean piles deep enough to bury a body, at least 2 feet thick. This isn't a roof. This is a fortress of insulation. It should be so tight inside that you have to crawl. It's claustrophobic. It smells like rotting earth. It is perfect. The smaller the space, the less air your body has to heat up. Crawl inside. Plug the door. You are now inside a cocoon that can hold a tropical microclimate while the world outside freezes over. Pro tip: don't lie on the dirt. Build a mattress of leaves inside too. The ground is hungry. Don't feed it your heat. You've seen them, those crinkly silver blankets that look like giant candy wrappers. Mylar. They aren't toys. They are radiant heat reflectors. Remember radiation? Your body is constantly shooting infrared heat beams into space. Mylar bounces those beams right back at you. But most people use them wrong. They wrap it around themselves like a cape and stand in the wind. Wrong. Mylar has zero insulation. The wind will strip heat right through it. You use it as a core layer. Line the inside of your debris hut with it. Tape it to the inside of your jacket. Or wrap yourself in it, then put a wool blanket over it. Now you're a thermos bottle. You are trapping the heat and reflecting it back. No Mylar? Use aluminum foil. Use a car sunshade. Use reflective bubble wrap. Science is just expensive trash that works. You are cold. Your core is shivering. You need an external boost. Welcome to bootleg central heating. If you can make a small fire or find a running engine, heat some water. Not boiling since you don't want to cook yourself, just hot. Pour it into a plastic bottle or a metal canteen. Wrap it in a dirty sock.
Now shove it inside your jacket, right against your chest, or down by your femoral arteries in your thighs. Boom, you just installed a radiator in your suit. That water holds heat for hours, way longer than a hot rock, and when it cools down, you have clean water to drink to stay hydrated. No fire? Use your own body. Fill a bottle with your urine, which is fresh and warm, or just cold water and put it in your armpit. Cycle it down to your freezing feet once it warms up. You are using your core to save your extremities. It's a closed-loop system powered by blood. In an urban collapse, cardboard is gold. Don't laugh. Corrugated cardboard is engineered with air channels sandwiched between paper. It's insulation material that you can find in every dumpster. Flatten boxes, layer them on the concrete before you sleep. Remember Conduction, the vampire? Cardboard drives a stake through its heart. If you're living in a car, tape cardboard over the windows. Glass is a terrible insulator. It sucks heat out. Cardboard creates a dead airspace. You are building a cardboard cave inside your vehicle. It looks ugly as sin, but out here, ugly means alive. Pretty means a frozen corpse. This one is primal. If you are lucky enough to not be alone, swallow your pride. Get close. I don't care if you hate them. The cold doesn't care about your personal space. Huddle up, back to back, side by side. Share body heat. Share one sleeping bag. Two bodies produce double the BTUs, but share half the surface area exposed to the cold. Wolves do it. Penguins do it. You are an animal too. Act like one. If you're alone, curl up, fetal position, knees to chest, arms crossed. Make yourself small. Less surface area means less heat for the thief to steal. If you have a dog, that's a 101-degree fur-covered heater. Hug it like your life depends on it, because it does. Why does all this work better than a fire? Because fire is fragile. It dies in the rain. It dies in the wind. But your body is a machine designed to survive the ice age. It runs on fat, carbs, and sheer willpower. You don't need to create more heat. You're already a heat factory. You just need to stop letting it escape. Plug the leaks. Build the armor. So let the night drag on. Let the temperature drop. You are layered. You are insulated. You are ready. No matches, no problem. You are surviving on physics, trash, and the stubborn refusal to freeze. If you wake up tomorrow morning, you didn't get lucky. You won. Subscribe to survive. This is the last log.